conveyor belt. I want you to sit in your chair with your feet flat on the floor, your hands comfortably at your sides, on the arms of the chair, or in your lap. Very good. Now I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath and exhale slowly. While you exhale, I want you to relax your head and neck and let your head go comfortably back or hang down comfortably in front of you. Very good. Now, I'm going to give you a small task. Complete while I talk to you in the background. Don't concentrate on my voice, just hear it and let everything I say sink into your subconscious mind. Okay, here we go. I want you to imagine that you are standing in front of a large conveyor belt in a factory. The type of belt that is bringing items past you one at a time. You look down and notice that on the conveyor belt are cardboard boxes coming past you. Behind you, you notice a large table with chocolate chip cookies on it. Your task when I tell you to begin is to turn around and count 10 cookies, then pick them off the table and turn around and put them into the cardboard box in front of you. When you have filled a box, push the big red switch on the front of the conveyor belt to move to the next box and start over. Do it when I count 3, 2, 1. Begin.